Hello everyone, John is here. So today I'm gonna tell the message, but before that I have this video. Hey, you wanna watch this? Click here to watch it. Okay, whatever. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell the message. When that buying video thing, I add a story in description below, so you guys check it out. So why I buy it, and then when it's here, I'm gonna unbox it. And a couple of weeks, I will show it to you guys. So, breathing. Okay, whatever. So, I just gonna tell you the story again, actually. So, when I watch YouTube about this thing right here, as you can see, world's largest gummy worm versus kid. I wondering if that's my speech. You can say as thinking. So I know wondering and one request for order. Okay, that's not important now. So, if it's free, so that's why I buy it. So, actually, we can wait for a couple of days. And when it's here, I'm gonna unbox it and having fun. Whatever. I got fun now, but I had a little bit fun with this laptop right here. So, basically, I don't know what to say right now. I got loads of memory in my brain, then I don't know what to say. Oh dear, I don't know what to say. Oh, and I not just the time lapse. So I not just the time lapse, but we'll figure it out how to use the time lapse thing. So we'll be figure it out. We'll be figure it out. I figure it out in my brain. And that's what's called in my brain. That's it. So just me, a YouTuber, not my family. Actually, guys, my friends allows me to make this, so I just make it. Thinking a little nasty friend, but in a second, my friend don't know how to upload a video in YouTube. Yup. So, but I figured it out in my brain, and now I found it how to make loads of videos. Go crazy. Okay. So that's just for today's message, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It's almost bedtime, and I want to sleep. And Let's see if next morning it comes to us. So, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that breaky like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Yeah. Go crazy!